Hi, this is Money Making Girl Online and I welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to tell you a very simple method to make some big amount of money. This is really easy. You just have to upload some videos. You can see here this video has earned $58 just for some few thousand of views. Like this, many people are earning thousands of dollars just by uploading simple videos. The easiest method to earn here is to upload some catchy videos, mostly the funny or rare ones. Let's have a look at the viral tab here. $227 earned, $23 earned, $2 earned, $6 earned, $13 earned. Now let's check how to create an account here. You can directly sign up via Facebook, Google or Apple. Then fill in the registration form and proceed. You have to confirm your email and verify your account. Then go to the account verification tab and verify your phone number. Like in YouTube, you can create your own channels here. Now let's see how to upload your own video and start earning. I'll show you a simple method of getting some videos from YouTube easily. First, search for funny compilation in YouTube and filter the results by duration and license type. You have to always remember to select the Creative Commons license. You will see that there are plenty of interesting videos available here. Then go to this website and you can download the selected video in MP4 format. You can find the link to this website in the description area. Now it's time to upload the video. You can earn some money not only with monetization but also with affiliate marketing by simply putting your affiliate link in this description area. But always keep in mind to target the correct audience when it comes to the affiliate marketing. Okay, that's all for today's pals. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Have a nice day.